So today we will study binomial distribution. Okay. Now the question is, where are you going to use this? Suppose you have tossed a coin, is tossed 50 times and asked to find the probability of getting at least 10 hits. So this kind of question, what the problem will have is, it will be very difficult for us to make a sample space of 50 times a coin is tossed. So in that case, what we will do is, we will take the help of binomial distribution. So for that, we should have the idea of what is called Bernoulli trials. So write down. What is called a Bernoulli trial? Write down: a random experiment or a trial of random experiment is called Bernoulli trials. Under what condition you call it is a Bernoulli trials? That is, there should be finite number of trials. There should be finite number of trials. Means you are throwing a coin 20 times, 30 times, it should be fixed. Similarly, what is the second point here? Then trials should be independent. The trial should be independent. Means suppose you have taken a ball, when you go to draw the second ball, it should have equal number of chances. Means a ball is drawn, if it is not replaced, then it cannot be independent event. So trial should be independent. Third one is, each trial has exactly two outcomes. Each trial has exactly two outcomes. What are those two outcomes? That is success and failure. Success or failure. Okay. The probability of success remains same in each trials. Fourth point is, the probability of success remains same in each trial. Okay, if happens so, then if P stands for probability of successes, Q stands for failure, P plus Q is 1. Total probability is 1. N is number of trials. N is number of trials. R is the required outcomes. Then probability X equals to R. Then what is the required probability? NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. Remember, P is the success, Q is the failure here. This formula will be used to find the probability when the trials are more and more. Okay, some formula you have to remember here. NC0, NCN, this value is 1. Means 2C0, 2C2 is 1, like that. Second, NC1, NCN minus 1, that is N. NC2, N into N minus 1 by 2 into 1. NC3, N, N minus 2, N minus 3, 3, 2, 1. So these are the basic formula which we will be using in the binomial trials. So let's go to the exercise to solve few questions. It will be clear to us. If you see the first question on this, go to exercise 13.5. What is our question here? A die is thrown 6 times. Die is thrown 6 times. Getting an odd number is success. Getting an odd number is success. Okay, find or what is the probability of what is the probability of, first question, 5 successes. At least 5 successes. At least 5 successes. Then at most 5 successes. Okay. Now what you do is, you are throwing it 6 times. First you take a trial of 1 time. Suppose when die is thrown once, what is the sample space? That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of which What is odd number? Odd number is 1, 3, 5. Now, odd number if you call a success, that is P here. So you write down P is probability of getting an odd number. What is odd number? How many? 3. That is 3 upon 6. That is 1 upon 2. So once you find P, then you have to find Q. Q you have to find out. Q equals to 1 minus P, because P plus Q is always 1. So that will be 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Then the question is, what is N? How many trials you have taken? N equals to 6. So what is the formula of binomial distribution? Now NCR, success power R, failure power N minus R. NCR, P to the power Q to the power N minus R. So what is N for us? N is 6. 6 CR, 1 by 2 to the power R, 1 by 2 to the power 6 minus R. After this, now we'll go to question. What is our question? First question, 5 successes means your R equals to 5. 5 successes required probability is 5 times you are successful of getting odd number in 6 trials. So that is R equals to 5. Put here. So you will get that is 6C5 1 by 2 to the power 5 1 by 2 to the power 6 minus 5. Achha, listen here about this part. 6C5, since NC n minus 1 is N, 6C n minus 1, 6 minus 1, NC5 is N, means this is 6. So that will be, this will be 6 for us. 1 by 2 to the power 5, 1 by 2 to the power 1. 6 into 1 by 2 to the power 6. Power is added. So that is 6 into 1 by 2 to the power 6. How much? 64. 2, 3, 232. 3 upon 32. Okay. Go to next one. Achha, see the number line. In the number line, what you see is N trials. 6 trials you have taken, because die is thrown 6 times. Possibility 0 success. What are the possibilities you have tried? 1 success, 2 successes, 3 successes, 4 successes, 5 successes, or maximum 6 successes you can have. If you throw a die for 6 times, 0 times you may be successful, 1 time or 2 times or 3 times or 4 times or 5 times, or maximum it will be 6 times. Now your question is, second part of the question, at least 5 successes. At least 5 and more. इसका meaning probability R is greater than equal to 5. What is the meaning of what? At least greater than equal to. Means that is probability R equals to 5 plus probability R equals to 6. Because greater than equal to 5 means 5 times you have to find out 5 successes, greater and 6 successes. This the already you have done. This how much you have got? 3 by 32. No need to calculate it again, but just now you have done it. What about this? NC6, 6C6, 1 by 2 to the power 6, 1 by 2 to the power 6 minus 6. Okay? NCN equals to, since NCN equals to 1, means this will be 1. This is 1. So that is 3 by 32 plus 1 into 1 by 2 to the power 6, 1 by 2 to the power 0. Means any number power 0 is 1. So that is 3 by 32, 1 by 64, this is 1. LCM is 64, this is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 64. Okay. Then comes up, at most, this is very important for us, third part. At most 6 successes means probability R is less than equal to at most 5. 5. If you see the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means you need to find out probability R equals to 0, probability R equals to 1, probability R equals to 2, probability R equals to 3, probability R equals to 4, probability R equals to 5. This is the meaning of less than equal to 5. So many things you are going to find out. First R equals to 0 up to 4, then 1. So there are 6 experiments here, 6 calculations you are going to do here. The easy is, this total probability is 1. Total probability is 1. So you are going to find from here to here is same as 1 minus the remaining. What is the remaining? 6. So this is same as 1 minus probability R equals to remaining, because total probability is 1. So up to 5 you are asked. So 1 minus probability R equals to 6. That means 1 minus 6 is 6. 1 by 2 to the power 6. 1 by 2 to the power 6 minus 6. That's simple calculation. So that will give you 1 minus, this is 1. This is 1 by 64 into 1. 64 LCM. 64 minus 1, 63 by 64. This is how you will start your Bernoulli trials. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Bathroom धो दो. Bathroom. If you go to question number Question number 3. There are 5 defective items in a large bulk of items. There are 5% defective items in a large bulk of items. Okay. What is the probability that a sample of 10 items, 10 items will include not more than one defective items. Will include not more than one defective items. Okay, some technique is here. Try to see. There are 5% defective items. Suppose P stands for probability of defective items. That means 5%. That is 1 by 20. Q is what? Q is 1 minus P. The 1 minus 1 by 20, that is 19 by 20. In a sample of 10 items, that means n equals to 10. PQ got n equals to 10. N equals to 10. It will include not more than 1. If you see the number line 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, because you have 10 experiments, it will include not more than 1, means maximum 1, means this part is not required for us. Not more than 1 means it will be 0 and 1. So probability x is equal to not more than 1 means probability r equals to 0, that is x is equal to r, that is probability r equals to 1. Okay, what is our formula? Our formula is NCR P to the power r Q to the power n minus r. So first NCR, n is how much? 10. 10 C0, 1 by 20 power 0, 19 by 20 power how much? N minus r, 10 minus 0. This is for which one? R is equal to 1. This is 10 C1, 1 by 20 power 1, 19 by 20 power 9, directly you can write 9 or 10 minus 1. So that will be NC0. NC0 is 1 into 1 into 19 by 20 power is 10. NC1 is n, means 10. 1 by 20, 19 by 20 power is 9. So look at what is common here. 19 by 20 power 9 is common. So that will be 19 by 20. If you take out common, what is left out? Here is 19 by 20 plus here is 10 by 20. That is 9, say power 9, 19 by 20. This is 29 by 20. This is power 9. You can write 19 to the power 9 into 29 by 20 power 10. Because 9 power is here, 1 is here. Okay? So simple questions. Let's take one more. Another question. question is 5 cards are drawn successively. Question number 4. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement, means independent event. With replacement means if it is not replaced, then binomial distribution cannot be used. From a well shuffled deck of deck of 52 cards. Okay. What is the probability that all the 5 cards are spades? What is the probability that all the 5 cards are, first question, spade? Let's do one by one. P probability of getting spade. 5 cards are drawn. So getting spade is how much? 13 by 52, because there are 13 spade cards. So that will be 1 by 4. What is Q then? 1 minus P. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. What is the formula? X equals to R, NCR, P to the power R, Q to the power N minus R. What is N? N is 5. How many cards you need? That also 5. That means you need N equals to 5, R equals to 5. N equals to 5, R is also 5. That means 5C5, 1 by 4, power is 5, 3 by 4, power is 5 minus 5. This is 1, this is 256, 5, 5. How much? 4, 4, 16. One zero two four. 1024. This is any number power 0 is 1. Okay. First part of the question. What is second part? Second part is only 3 cards are spade. Only 3 cards are spade. Means your R equals to 3. You can try. That will be 5C3, 1 by 4 power is 3, 3 by 4 power is 5 minus 3. So 5C3 is how much? How to reduce? That is 5 into 4 into 3. 3 times you have to reduce. 3 into 2 into 1. This is the reduction for this. This is 64. This is 9. Because 9 by 16. So 3 cancel, 2 cancel here. 90 by 1024. Third part of the question. None is spade. None is spade. Means your R equals to 0. So put the values. R equals to 0 means what will you get? You will get NC 0, that is 5C 0, 1 by 4 power 0, 3 by 4 power 5 minus 0. This is 1, this is 1, this is 3 3 is a 81, 3, 243. 243 by 1024. Okay, so few questions you will try. You try question number, these are 5 and 6, you try 5, 6, 7. Question number 8 I will start tomorrow. You can try question number 5, 6, 7. 8 onwards we will be doing tomorrow. So few more classes will be, we are going to complete this chapter. Maybe tomorrow.